Okay, today we talk about division. For when you learn math, you should not only remember the formula, you should know the why. So this integer 8 divided 4, that's easier. Why we do that? Because for example, we have 8 something, we divide 4 part, such like uh, okay, this 8 ample, 2, 3, 4. Okay, totally this 8 apple. So we divide to 4 part. 4 part. We can also think every part is 4. How many part? Okay, every part is 4. Okay, how many part? This is part 1. This is part 2. So this is why 8 divided 4 is 2. But now we do other things. For example, 8 divide 1 with 1 over 4. How to do this? We know the formula is 8 divide this 1 with 1 over 4 is a mixture fraction. We change to proper fraction or improper fraction. So it's 5 over 4. Okay. So then we do that. The formula is this part 5 over 4 upside down. We time this division change the time, and this part 5 over 4 change to upside down, change to find their reciprocal. So 8 times 4 over 5. So that's equal. So how to do this? Usually the integer 5 the denominator should be 1. So if it's all the integer that denominator is 1, usually we don't write 1, we equal 8. Okay, now, but when we calculate, we should put the 1 again, back again. So 8 over 1 times 4 over 5. So the rule is denominator times denominator, denominator times denominator. So 8 times 4 over 5 equal. So 4 times 8 is 32. So remember timetable is very important. If you don't remember timetable, that's trouble for you. So 5. But this denominator is bigger than denominator. So we should change this improper fraction to proper fraction or mixture fraction. So it's equal 6 2 over 5. How to do that? So uh, how to change this improper fraction to a mixture? So 32 over 5, we can write 30 plus 2 over 5. So 30 over 5 plus 2 over 5. So 6 plus 2 over 5. So 6 2 over 5. So this is solution. And the other method, we can do also 8 divide 1 with 1 over 4. We can also change to this fraction. We can change the fraction to this decimal. So 8 divide 1.25. So this kind of easier. So about this number is a little big. 8 divide. So both this 1.5, because it's a decimal, so we change to integer. So this dividend with this part 8, the denominator. So 1.5 25 should write this 8 over 1.25. So because it's a denominator, it's a decimal, so we change to integer. So time 100 over 125. I just cancel this for you. Too easy to understand. So 1.25 times 100. So it's 800 over 125. So because this number, we have, okay, I first step tell you this how to do division, and another step I tell you good method to other way to solve this quickly. So 800 divide 125. So this should be, we cannot for the 8, we put 7. 7 is over 6. 5 times 6, 30. It's 5. 30. 2 times 6, 12, plus the carry, 3. Okay, so 1 times 6 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So 800 minus 7, 50. So 50. So 50 divided 125 is not enough. Put a 0. So meanwhile here, because here is 800, but if we put more number, we put a dot. So we put a point. So we should be 4. 4 times, okay, 4 times 5, 20. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 2, 20 plus a carry is 10. 1 times 4 is 4, plus carry 1. So 0. So the solution should be 6.4. This one method is a little bit complicated and also spend some time. So usually this kind of number is if they can use other fast number, we can use that method. So 800 divide 125. So we can observe that we can common factor 25. So here should be 5. So, and here should be 32. 800 divided 25 should be 32. So that should be 6 with 2 over 5. You can write this. Also, you can write 6.4. Same. But this method looks easier, right? It's fast. It's faster than this method. But this method also right. But usually, we can find a common factor. We don't do this because this spend a lot of time. But this one spend short time. And then we should ask that, what does it mean? How to express 8 divide 1 with 1 over 4? What does it mean? For example, like here. Why we use the rule? For example, we use the rule 8 times first step. Okay, with time. No, this. With first step, divide 5 over 4. Then 5 times 4 over 5. So this step from change. So we should ask that, what does that mean? 8 divided 1 with 1 over 4. If they divide the integer, we can ask that. Divide the natural number, also we ask that. What does that mean? We divide 1 with 1 over 4. What does that mean? Okay. For example, we go back. We have 8 pizza. Okay, about 8 pizza, we pretend the size the same. So we divide 1 over 1 with, so total is 8. Every part is 1 with, is a little bit of 1. So every part we divide 4. 1 here. This 1 with 1 over 4. So this 1 part is this. How many this part of totally? So this part 1 and this part 1. Total 1 part is 1 whole part, then small 1. Totally is small part is small piece is 5. So this is 3. Then okay, this part 1 we call the 1. This part 2, and this part 3, and then this part 4. This part 5, and then this part 6, and then last remain is only 2 small part. So the solution should be 6 2 over 5. So totally 6 whole part with 2 small piece. 2 small pieces is here. Oh, is here. 2 small piece. This is why we do that. So why we upside down? So 8 times 4. Times 4, that means every big part, every whole part, we cut 4 pieces. Then how many for a small piece? Totally 32. So then divide again for, we reorganize. We divide every part into 5. Totally how many part is about is 6.4. So we add that, we should add this, then we can calculate, we can remember the formula. We can not only remember formula, we should know why. But also we should remember formula, but we also know the proof or the image. Otherwise, we do many calculation, but we don't know how to use.